Question 10b. I've borrowed the table for these two questions from the top of the page, put it at the bottom so we can keep it all on one screen. Ethan pays £52.80 for some of these boxes. Work out the number of boxes he buys. Now again, there's lots of ways that you can approach this problem. You could try dividing this by £2.40. That's a personal method I would like, but the question does suggest that we use the table. This can help us do this very quickly, because we automatically know that for every 10 boxes, he's paid £24. So it's a good idea just to keep track of how much he spent for different numbers of boxes. So for 10 boxes, he spends £24. And that would mean for 20 boxes, he'd have to spend £48. And this is still not the total that he spent. So we know he's bought more than 20, but not much. So what's left? If we take away that £48, he's still got £4.80. £4.80 is 2 boxes. So for 2 boxes, he spends £4.80, and there's all of his £52.80. So very quickly, we've used the information available to work out that he's bought 22 boxes. Now question 10c says use the table to write £9.60 to £12 as a ratio in its simplest form. This table can be really, really useful for this because we've already had a simplified version of the ratios given. 12 will simplify down to 5 boxes. But what about £9.60? Well, £9.60 is not on here. What you could do is keep adding 1 box each time until you've got to £9.60, or you could realise that if 2 boxes is £4.80, that means that 4 boxes must be £9.60. So 4 boxes to the ratio of 5 boxes is as simple as it can go. You can't simplify this ratio anymore, but this is the value for each of those two numbers. Therefore, we've kept the same ratio.